Welcome. Today I teach you how to create free AI music video with character. Let's go. First, check video. I'll show you how to create this type of video using free AI tools.
She strums her guitar with the fire in her eyes. She's got the rhythm and the rock and roll in her soul. She takes the stage, ignites the crowd with the sound. She's a rebel queen, breaking all the... She's got those big bright eyes, now that you start a fire. She's a little rebel, rockin' baby time. With a tiny fist, she bangs on her grid. She's a born rock star, watch her as she flies. She's the cutest baby, breaking on the boom. With a punk rock attitude, she's nobody's fool. Yeah, she's a little rebel, called to fire scene. In a really bitty leather jacket, she's the tiniest queen.
Step 1. Create music. Step 2. Create images and image to video. Step 3. Video editing, and earn money. Let's create music. Open a Suno AI website, check link in description. Click on Make a Song button. Click on Sign Up button. Create your account using your Gmail ID. After creating your account, let's create first song. Click on Create button. Type of song description, all type. Create a song cat playing in drum and sing a song about life, click on Create button. Now you see AI create 2 songs, let's check, click on Play button and listen. It's good, in right bottom you see lyrics. I'll create another songs. Click on 3 dots and download your songs. Go to next step, and create image. Let's create image. For image creation I'm using Leonardo AI. Check link in description. Click on Create Creation button. If you learn Leonardo, check video link in description. Write a prompt. I'll create cute baby in a rock band setup, singing on the stage, neon background. And hit Generate button and wait. Leonardo AI give me 150 tokens every day, for free of cost. Because I'm using free version. First we create image, and after image creation we convert our image to video in Leonardo. Okay, we create our first image, create all images as per our video requirements. Let's create another image. After create all images, create image to video. Click on Generate Motion Video. Change motion strength to 6. And hit Generate button. See the result, it's looking nice. Do this action to all images you just created. After created all images to video, download your video files and go to next step where we created our video. Step 3. Video editing. For video editing I'm using Canva. If you learn Canva, I'll share a video link in description. Open Canva in your phone or computer. Click on Video. Upload your video clips and music file. Simple drag and drop. I'll do this fast. Simple, arrange your video footage sequence. You can use some stock video clips also. After all set, add music files below your video footage. Click on Share button and download your video file. Now you create your first music song.
She's got those big bright eyes, now they can start a fire. She's a little rebel, rockin' baby time. With a tiny fist, she bangs on her crib. She's a born rock star, watch her as she thrives. She's the cutest baby breaking on the boom. With a punk rock attitude, she's nobody's fool. Yeah, she's a little rebel, caught by a sea. In a little bitty leather jacket, she's the tiniest queen.